Hi, and welcome to Seesaw. We are so glad you are here today. We are going to learn how to make a video in Seesaw using your laptop. Make sure you are logged into Seesaw and ready to go. Find the Add button to add something new to your journal. It looks like this. You can find the Add button here at the top of your screen. Click the Add button now. Find the picture of the video camera to make a video. It looks like this. You can find the video button here. Click it now. Find the Record Video button to get started. You can find the Record Video button here. Click it now. If you get a note like this one, be sure to push the Allow button so that you can use your camera on the laptop. It looks like this. You can find the Allow button here. Click it now if you need to. It's time to record our video. I am going to talk about my art project. You can talk about something you made or something you like about your classroom. Before we do that, let me tell you about the steps we are going to take to record our video. Think about what you are going to say and do. Then, to start recording, click the Start Recording button. You can find it here in the middle of your screen. You will know the video is recording when you see this red dot. Then you can press the spacebar to stop or start your video as you need. Remember, the spacebar is that big button on the keyboard. Click the Finish Recording button when you are done talking and making your video. You can find the Finish Recording button down here. Then you will get a note that your video is processing, which just means we need to wait while it gets ready. Then, boom! We've got our first video. Before we go on, let's make your video. Think about what you are going to say and do. Ready? Click the Start Recording button now and press Finish Recording when you are done. We will wait. Great work! Our video is ready. We are going to now push the Add Video button to add this video to our journal. You can find the Add Video button down here. Click the Add Video button now. We can add a caption to our video, letting people know what it is about. You can click the Caption button down here to type in your caption. I am going to call this My Art Project. If you want to caption your video, click the Caption button now. It's time to save our video. Find the green check to save your video to your journal. It looks like this. You can find the green check here at the top of your screen. Click it now. Oh, and if it asks, make sure to click the box next to your name to save your work to the right place. Wow! Wow, you did it! You can try it again and again for fun. See you again soon here at Seesaw.